I have a domain name wherein I sell this product and I want to sell in India and abroad both. Cool. I have a GST number as well. Now the question is it gonna work? So okay, there are a couple of things you want to keep in mind if you want to sell in India and abroad. One, you're gonna need different delivery methods, like simply. So when it comes to the delivery for abroad, you can get in touch with DHL e-commerce or DHL Express. I've used DHL e-commerce a lot. DHL Express is something that we've not used yet, but yeah, they have like a delivery time of 3 to 5 days. But DHL Express is gonna be beneficial for you if your products are high ticket, because shipping a 500-gram package, that's the minimum slab that they have. So using DHL Express, if you want to ship, I mean the minimum that they charge is for 500 grams, and the cost is close to $25, which is pretty expensive. So you cannot really ship low price and low ticket items because shipping is really expensive. But if you're selling like high price stuff wherein you have the margins and you can charge shipping price for it, go for it. DHL e-commerce is cheaper. So if you want to ship, so in DHL e-commerce, let's say you have a 100-gram product, so the cost of shipping maybe is going to be close to $7, $8, or maybe $10. They keep changing the prices, but it's definitely going to be way lower. But the delivery time with the DHL Express is going to be like 3 to 5 days, which is phenomenal. With e-commerce, DHL e-commerce, and these are two separate entities, by the way. And with e-commerce, it's going to be like 15 to 20 days. So that's how it works. But yeah, this is how you can do it. To ship within India, you can make use of ShipRocket, you can make use of Delivery, you can make use of DHL, all of these services as well. But first of all, you want to have the delivery sorted out. Then on the level of your store, you need a currency converter app, so that no matter where your customers are coming from, they see the price of their product in their currency. Okay, you should be charging different shipping prices from based on different locations. So you need to set up your shipping settings on your Shopify store. Like maybe you can offer free shipping in India, but you should be charging shipping in abroad, because shipping the same product abroad is going to take more money from your pockets. So you should be charging extra in there. Now, so what I would suggest is keep one common price. So to give you an example of a t-shirt, let's say you want to sell this t-shirt for 1,000 rupees in India. That's almost $15, right? So you can sell the t-shirt for 1,000 rupees in India and don't really charge shipping for it. For abroad, you can charge like $5 for shipping. So people ordering from abroad are going to be paying you 15 plus 5, $20 for the same product. Cool. So that's pretty much how it works. Selling to both the countries from the same store, pretty much possible, but focus on one audience, focus on one country at a time, so that you don't end up complicating things. Okay.